Welcome to Free Online Training Courses. As the name suggests, this is a training and tutorial website that is completely free and available to everyone. Our goal is to provide knowledge and skills to all, regardless of their ability to pay. If you own a computer or use one for work, then you will know that they contain a number of applications that can make your work or home life easier. One of the most useful of these applications that can help you manage data and information is a spreadsheet. This course will start by installing a spreadsheet application, in this case LibreOffice for your desktop or Collabora for your mobile. The course will take you from being a first-time user to an expert. So what happens next? You are seeing this page on our website because you have just registered for the training for the first module. And a very good place to start for beginners is about spreadsheets. What we need to do now before we can start is to verify that the email you have given us is the correct one. To do this, we have sent an automated email to the address you entered onto the form. In that email, you will see a link. Open the email, click on that link to confirm that you still want to receive the lessons. If the link does not work on your network, because some network providers block their users from clicking links as a security measure, then simply copy the URL, paste it into your browser, then click enter. We do this to make sure the lessons go to the correct address and do not fill the inbox of someone who did not register if their address was mistakenly typed into the form. We do this to adhere to the email best practice standards. So what happens if you don't see the email? The confirmation email will usually arrive in a couple of minutes. However, some email systems, Yahoo in particular, will delay the delivery of the email. This is because it's automatically generated. For this, you'll have to be patient. The first thing to check is your junk or spam folder. It may be in there. If so, mark it as not spam and you'll then be able to click on the link. To stop this happening, it's a good idea to add free online training courses to your email safe list or whitelist. The way you do this is different for every email provider. On Gmail, for example, there is not a specific whitelist, but if you're using a smartphone, add the email address tutor@free-online-training-courses.com to your contact list. This will let Google know that you want to receive mail from us. Alternatively, if you're using the Gmail website on a computer, you can use a filter. In the search bar at the top of the window, enter the email address tutor@free-online-training-courses.com, then click Advanced Search. At the bottom of the pop-up window, there is a button marked Create Filter. Click this button and in the next pop-up, tick the option Never Send It to Spam and press Create Filter. Your training emails will now always be delivered to your inbox. At any time, you can click the link that appears at the bottom of each email we send, and the course will be halted, and no more emails will be sent. You can start the course again or start another course by re-registering at the website free-online-training-courses.com/course-selection. As part of the privacy rules, all emails are deleted within 3 months from the completion of the course and immediately if you have clicked the unsubscribe button as mentioned before. So go off now and find the email titled Free Online Training Courses - please confirm registration and click that link and start learning.